Mr. Crypto Web3 Gaming.
Good day, Crypto Gamer! Today I'm sharing with Hamster Combat Daily C4 for August 9, 2024. Let's go! The first letter, which is letter C, need natin ang dash dot dash dot. There we go. And then for the second word, which is letter R, need natin ang dot dash dot. Then for the third one, which is letter Y, need natin ang dash dot dash dash. Okay, and then for the fourth one, which is letter P, need natin ang dot dash dash dot. Okay, and then for the fifth word, which is letter D, need natin ang dash. For the last word, which is letter O, need natin ang dash dash dash. There we go.